Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today we're going to repair electric kettle, and the issue guys is no power. Okay, as I noticed guys, someone is trying to open up this one. So according to the owner, this is no power issue. Okay, maligayang pagdating sa aking channel guys. Ngayong araw magre-repair tayo ng electric kettle. Ang issue daw, wala daw power. First thing to do guys is we're going to check the AC plug. So set your kilometer to buzzer, and I want to see if this line here is being connected here. Okay, it's connected. This is the neutral, and the live guys is here. Here is the live. Okay, it's connected. Okay guys, ito ang kanyang live, at ito naman ang kanyang neutral. Ayun, tumunog. So wala tayong problema dito. Next guys is pupuntahan natin ang bottom part dahil wala daw power. So i-access lang natin ito guys. Itong tatlo nito, we're going to open up this one. Here is the dry or boil thermostat. And let's also check the steam thermostat. Okay, I told you someone is trying to open up this one. I'm just going to lift this up, and we're going to check here. Tinanggal ko lang yung knob nya guys. Yan. Titignan natin tong steam thermostat. Ito. Okay, it seems wet here guys. So I just received this morning, and it's still wet here. Okay, the moment we're going to on this one. Okay, take a look. This is the off, and this is the on. Now that it's in on position, the line 1 and line 2 should be okay. Here's the switch, the thermostat. It engages now these two here. Okay, it has a continuity guys, and once I'm going to turn this off, okay, it cut. Now again on. I-on ko lang to guys. May nakita akong tubig dito sa kanyang steam. Ayan, dito nagkatubig siya. So patutuyuin ko lamang ito, at ang complaint nito guys is hindi raw nag-power on. So pag linagay ko dito, which is the live at ang kanyang neutral, pwede rin dito. Ayan, dapat tutunog siya pag naka-on. Yan, naka-on. So tumunog siya. Ibig sabihin yung power natin didiretso. Ayan, off. So wala siyang problema. And tester naman natin guys yung kanyang tester natin yung kanyang filament heater. Okay, auto. Next, titignan ko muna kung ito ay shorted. Okay, it's not shorted. Next terminal, not shorted. And let's test the heater. Testerin natin ng heater. Okay, we got 37 ohms. Not bad. And now, tignan natin kung nag-engage, guys. Okay, ito yung live nya. Here. Okay, this one is the live here. Live. The neutral is this, and the inner is the ground. See, the inner part is the ground. And let's take a look here. Maybe it's about contact here. Tingnan natin dito, guys, baka hindi naman nagko-contact dito. So yung cord natin sa aking AC plug, walang problema. Ang titingnan natin, kung nagko-contact ba ang ating okay, ito ang i-check natin. Ayan, this one, guys, we're going to check if this one touches this. Okay, the outer part is the neutral. Here is the neutral, and the live wire is this inner ring here. So if this one doesn't touch, we have no power. So all I have to do, guys, is I'm going to clean up this terminal here. Okay, because this one will going to touch this. And the complaint is no power. Okay, I'm going to engage that one like that, and I'm going to see if is it engaged now. Okay, this is the off and this is the on. If it is in on position, we must have a reading here. Okay, I got a reading, guys. If I'm going to turn it off, there must be no reading. Pag in-off ko siya, wala dapat siyang reading. Ayan. So issue daw, guys, is no power. Ayan, kita nyo, nag-i-slide pa, oh. Ayan. So yan ang nakita natin, guys, basa dito. I-assemble na natin to. At okay naman yung filament nya. Okay, the heater's na shorted. Okay, guys, Linagyan ko siya ng tubig. I just put water on it and we're going to test. And they said this is no power. Okay, turn it on, and we're going to on the steamer. It's light up, and let's wait for a minute. Now it's on. The water is now boiling, guys. Steamer thermostat is still working. The normal should be this one will off. Okay guys, it's off. The light indicator is off also. So it's working. Ayan guys, nag-cut off na ang ating steam thermostat. Kape na tayo. Gatas nga pala ang gusto ko guys. It's working. The image shown on the upper left corner is the wiring diagram for this electric kettle. Ang nakikita nyong image sa upper left corner is ang kanyang wiring diagram. Okay guys, the problem only I see is this one. Okay, maybe a bad contact here. So all I have done guys is just scratch a little bit here, the contact here, and now it's working.